Hello everyone, this is Kitchen Anonymous and you're welcome to my channel. So I'm sharing with you today my easy curry rice recipe. Some people know it as fried rice. It's basically the same thing. The same vegetables that are used in curry rice are the same vegetables that you use in fried rice. So let's get cooking. The ingredients I'll be using are green peas, diced carrots, some onion, and some gizzard. I have already diced it into small pieces. I also have some chicken stock, and my rice. I basically just washed the rice until the water became clear. That's just also, these are the ingredients I'll be using. So I have washed my rice now and it's in the pot. I'm soon going to add my chicken stock. At this time, you allow your rice to cook, and if you like, you can multitask. While your rice is cooking, you can start frying your vegetables. Thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you soon on another cooking episode. Ciao.